Hello, I'm Maritza, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this month's theme for June 2022 Teacher Care Crate box. I am so excited about this month's theme because it is summertime, so you can kind of take a little guess on what this month's theme is going to be all about. Let's dive into your Teacher Care Crate box. The first thing you will find as soon as you open your Teacher Care Crate box is the info card. The info card gives you all the information about what's inside. And this month's theme is actually Teach by the Beach. Yay, I'm so excited. It's all about summer break. It has arrived, and enjoying your summer break to the fullest is so necessary. With the help of this month's crate, we hope you can accomplish that. On the back of the card, you can see all the details about each product and what's inside. And on the corner here is a QR code that will take you to your digital downloads. If you are a subscriber, you will get all of the desktop wallpapers and colorables and all of the goodies that come in the digital downloads. So let's dive in to this month's crate. The first thing you will find I have here is the art print for this month, and the art print is Seize the Day. It is this really cute beach theme, Make a Splash, and is created by Aloha Kindergarten, and that is the art print for this month. The next thing you will find here is the Sun Catcher decal, and it is this really cute decal. You can put it just about anywhere. I just love it. It has like this window theme to it, and it says, I need my vitamin C. The next thing I have here is this is really fun here. This is from Craft Mix. It is a cocktail mixer. It is a blood orange Mai Tai, super easy to make. All you do is just add rum, water, and ice, and it makes one cocktail. And this is from Craft Mix. The next thing I have here is these sticky notes. These sticky notes are this fun ombre design, and it says Teach at the bottom. Don't forget to stay organized during the summer. The next thing I have here is this exclusive by Teacher Care Crate, and it's actually designed by Sarah, and it says Beaching, Not Teaching. It is a fun koozie. I am so excited to see everybody use these as well. It is important to enjoy your summer and not thinking about teaching. So Beaching, Not Teaching. The next thing I have here are these fun seashell clips, and they come in a set of 4. I'm going to take them out of the bag to show you. And they're an easy, fun accessory to put anywhere. I love putting my hair up like this, but just not all the way up. So this makes that perfect accessory. And if you use them for other purposes, they are so sturdy and they're just so cute. And they come in these 4 different colors in a set of 4. The next thing I have here is this air freshener that is a fresh ocean mist scent, and it's by Ma Cherry Crafts, and it comes in this really cute baggie here. And this air freshener smells so good. You can put it just about anywhere in your classroom, in your car, in your home, and it hangs very easily. And it comes in this beautiful gold wrap rope. And it's very easy to open, and it smells so good. It smells so refreshing. And the next thing I have here is a Earth Harbor Laguna replenishing body serum. This is actually a 2 full ounce bottle. This is the replenishing body oil. Let me show you what it looks like. And here is the bottle. There we go. And as you put them on, a little goes a long way. So that is it. Those are the things that are in the Teacher Care Crate box for June 2022. Let me show you again just a little bit of a recap of what's in this crate for this month. So you have your replenishing body serum and the seashell clips. It is a set of 4. You have your air freshener that you can put just about anywhere. And this is from the Ma Cherry Crafts. The Teacher Care Crate is exclusive beaching, not teaching koozie. The sticky notes, the ombre design that says teach, sticky notes to keep organized. Your cocktail mixer, which is by Craft Mix, Blood Orange Mai Tai. And then the sun catcher decal that says I need my vitamin C. And the art print for this month, Seize the Day. Those are the items in the Teacher Care Crate box for this month of June 2022. Let me share with you the digital downloads now. These are the desktop wallpapers that you can get with your digital downloads. The focus was ombre colors, blues, all the fun summer colors. You'll get some sea animals in there, and you can also get some like hibiscus wallpaper. Anything to keep you organized with a calendar and a fun wallpaper is always so much fun. So this is the Teacher Summer Bucket List, and there are tons of fun options here. These are in the alphabetical order from A to Z, with a little option to check off if you've completed it, and easy to see and organize yourself. This is a summer word search, a fun little word search to do, and it also comes in the black and white version. And there is also a summer school bucket list in also the alphabetical A to Z version, saying you can do it. There's also a template for you to be able to fill out on your own if you have some other options that you want to put on there. And there is also even a Teacher Summer Self-Care Challenge with that, with an alphabetical order as well. So I hope some of these templates really reside with you and you're able to use some of them. There are some really great options here and activities for you to recharge and fill your cup up with lots of self-care. And that is it, teacher friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video and taking a peek into what's in the June 2022 Teacher Care Crate box. If you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe by June 14th to get all of these goodies in your mailbox. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can also look in the description box down below for all the details and the links to be able to get your very own Teacher Care Crate box. I will see you next time. Bye!